Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve denied account on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve denied account on Messenger app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Messenger and you click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you can click storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.